quotient rule for exponentiation in another video. So here we're just going to apply it to these problems that have rational exponents. So just to remind ourselves, x to the m divided by or over x to the n is equal to x to the m minus n. Okay, and then also x to the power of negative n is going to be equal to 1, or is equal to 1 over x to the power of n. So I'm going to also rewrite these to not have negatives at the end in case they do as I work through it. Okay, so first problem, what's our base? Looks like an A. And our exponents are negative 1/3 on top minus 1/5 on the bottom. We have negative 1/3 minus 1/5. Now, I would like to just subtract those fractions. As you get more and more practice, and you can do these a little bit faster on your own, but I'm going to do it through the whole process, get the common denominations here, or denominators, and see what they are. So between 3 and 5, you would be looking to get a common denominator of 15. So I'll insert a 3 on the left, or on the top and the bottom on the right number, and a 5 on the top and the bottom on the left number. So we get a to the negative 5 over 15 minus 3 over 15, which would be a to the negative 8 over 15, and therefore your final answer would be 1 over a to the power of 8 over 15, moving things to the denominator for the negative exponent. Okay, next problem over here. Let's try this one out. The common base is b. Exponents are 2/3 minus, plus, because they're both on top, so that's multiplication, plus negative 1/2. And then in the bottom, so subtraction, minus negative 1/5. Right, so 2/3 plus negative 1/2, multiplying in the top, so those are add. Subtraction, because when we're dividing, that's going to be a subtraction rule. So I guess I should write up the multiplication rule too. Didn't realize it was in here. X to the m times x to the n equals x to the m plus n. Again, the justifications for these are in another video, so you can look through the playlist to find those. Okay, common denominators. Between 3, 2, and 5, we're going to be looking for what here, 15, I guess? Yeah, 15. So 10 over 15 plus a negative means to minus. Oh, nope, I'm going to need a 30, aren't I? So, sorry, 30 and 20 minus 30 with 15. Minus a negative is going to be a plus. 30 with a 6. So 30 is the common denominator that works for 3, 2, and 5, and then we just combine them all together. Final answer, b to the 20 minus 15 is 5, plus 6 is 11. So we get b to the 11 over 30. So one more, try on your own. Try to do c to the negative 1/3 over c to the negative 1/2, c to the 4/5. This time, hopefully, if you pause the video and tried it on your own, maybe you got something that looks like c to the negative 1/3 minus, because it's in the bottom, negative 1/2 minus, because it's in the bottom, 4/5. Common denominator here. Oh, it's going to be 30 again, actually. Okay, that was useful that I did it on the last problem then. C to the negative 10 over 30 plus 15 over 30 minus 24 over 30. And so the final answer looks like it's going to be c to the negative 10 plus 15 is 5. 5 minus 24 is negative 19 over 30. Or like we promised, 1 over c to the power of 19 over 30.